Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Apple ID and Sync library are active. This is the cornerstone. Open Settings, tap Music, and enable Sync library if it's off. Once done, verify you're signed into the same Apple ID on every device where the playlist existed so iCloud can reconcile items. Then, check iCloud Backups and Recent Device Backups under iCloud Storage. This helps you know whether a backup contains the playlist. These steps ensure a recoverable state before you proceed to restore or resync. Next, you force a refresh to coax lost playlists back. On your iPhone or iPad, toggle Sync library off, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This often triggers a full sync. On a Mac, open the Music app and choose File Library, Update Music Library to pull server changes. If that doesn't work, sign out and back into your Apple ID on the device to refresh server state. This clears stale tokens and prompts a fresh library download. Make sure your connection is stable during this. Finally, if resyncing failed, restore from a backup that predates the loss. Use iCloud or Finder/iTunes Restore and follow on-screen prompts. This will replace current data, so backup first if needed. Once done, check the Music app for your playlist. If you still don't see it, contact Apple support to check for server-side rollbacks or account issues. As a preventative step, recreate missing playlists and export or share them so you have a local copy. This avoids a repeated loss in the future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.